I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon.
Alright guys, y'all know we're back at the workbench again. Y'all know I got the sawdust on here. It's the real deal. So y'all know I'm back outside. I made me a little section over here so I can, you know, do my little woodwork and so forth and so on. We're gonna bring the door panels on the table at the wild guys. We're gonna probably bring them on there. I don't know, tomorrow. It's gonna be soon. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share the videos. So that way, hit the notification bell so you'll better know when I upload the video. But today, we got on the chopping block, on the chopping table, on the table to show y'all custom speaker pods. The Thump panels. Y'all probably seen them a couple times before, but they got a lot of new finishes. And y'all won't believe this right here, how good that looks right there. Look at that. That's your custom with the carbon fiber. Look at that right there. You can't beat it. If y'all seen the other video, let me lay these out. Of course, I got one to go on each you know, the doors or whatnot. Okay, y'all see that right there? That's the carbon fiber right there. You can go over there to custom speaker pods and check that out. Check that out. Look real nice right there. It's just like some of the stuff you gotta be in person to really know how good it looks. Really, I'm trying to get up close enough so y'all can see. That's that custom fiber, carbon fiber finish. Sorry about that. I'm gonna get that wrong. I'm gonna get that right one of these times. Of course, I got the 8s to match. Custom speaker pods got some real nice product. Like I always say, I'm gonna say it again. Y'all know I don't cut on my doors for nothing, but I'm gonna do it this time because they look so good. You know, I hadn't really never thought about it, but I, you know, talk with the guys over there and they got some nice product over there. I met them a lot of times. Every time I go to a show, y'all probably seen the custom speaker pods videos on the channel so many times. So y'all know, you know, every time I go over there, I gotta go see what they got new. And it's like every time I go see them, they got something new. But you know how it is, man. You know, come and innovate and keep going over and over. You know, they keep going and making new things over and over. You know, that's what it's about, man. Everybody alike, and you definitely want to support the independent companies or whatnot in the car audio community. But look at that custom fiber finish on that right there. These are for the 8s, so I'm gonna set these out. I'm gonna have to stack these up because I need to make a little room. We're gonna keep going, guys. They have more than just this finish right here, so don't think you just have to get more than just this finish and the style. So you can get more than just this style right here. You don't have to just get only this style. So definitely, let me move these out the way. Excuse the table, man. Like I say, it's the work table. We're gonna do some more videos and stuff like that too. I got another bench over here I'm gonna use on the next video. We're gonna do some more videos on these products. But of course, y'all know you got that nice hardware right there. Nice. And you can pick the kind of hardware you want to go with it. Look at that. They got the black and the stainless steel right there. You know, you gotta be looking good, man. You invested all this money in this vehicle, you gotta really look good. So now we're gonna show some new styles and finishes as well. Y'all seen my other videos, y'all may have seen them, but I'm gonna give y'all a little bit more up close view. Of course, that's a carbon fiber as well, just a different style. Be sure to go to customspeakerpods.com and get one of them, stick it on the table. That way you can see where to go. So y'all need to keep knowing where you go to right there. This style right there. That way y'all can see it. Alright. This is a, what I got here?
Let me see. Let's see the style. That's a new style.
Here's another new style. right here. I'm gonna get the names for the styles, and I'm gonna try to link them down below. That way you'll better go direct. Look at that. If I'm not mistaken, I think you can put a light behind this and it'll glow through the material on this one. Look at that nice shiny finish right there. I'm gonna get you the names here in a second. She's looking them up. So, all right. Of course, y'all know y'all can pick up some of those nice custom speaker pod stickers as well when you go over there to the site. There's another finish, another style right there. All right, are you pulling them up?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go through the names of them in a minute. Okay, we're gonna slide that on up. All right, we got another one. We're gonna name out all the different styles you can get. And of course, CustomSpeakerPods.com. You want to use code BASSWITHKEV to save. Look at those different styles right there. And we got another video coming about the different styles and the stuff like that going on. We're gonna put these on the doors. We're gonna show you how to do it. We're gonna clean the doors up. We're gonna do all of that. And we're gonna do we got another video with the front door pods, and we got another video with the rear door pods unboxing. So we're gonna do that video as well. What you got? You got the names?
That's the carbon fiber.
Yes, carbon fiber up top. I think this is that platinum. This will be a platinum finish, I believe. I may be wrong. I think this is platinum finish right there. You can see. It's nice right there.
Clear chrome.
Clear chrome. Okay, this one ain't platinum, is it? This the.
That may be the. No, that's the platinum.
This is the platinum right here. Sorry about that. This is the platinum. And this one would be the stainless steel. Either way, I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to link it down below so y'all can go over there and check it out. So be sure to like, subscribe. We're going to do another video. We're going to go into a little more detailed information, and I'm going to try to
I forgot this one.
Hold on, wait a minute. We got
that's
another one.
The black stainless steel.
Black stainless steel right here. Of course, they got a lot of different styles. I think even more than what they show right here. I know they got more than what they show right here. So be sure to go over there and check out CustomSpeakerPods.com. Use code BASSWITHKEV. Save some money on your purchase. So be sure to like, subscribe. We're gonna do another video. I gotta get everything set up. We're gonna be back. Be sure to like, subscribe. CustomSpeakerPods.com. Use code BASSWITHKEV to save. I'm gonna see y'all back on the next one.
Still rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
I sure appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.